Hello and welcome guys to this educational video. Today we're going to explore an operating system that powers servers, computers, and even smartphones. It's called Linux. Linux isn't just a single system, it's a family of operating systems called distributions, each designed for specific use cases. For example, Ubuntu is great for beginners, Debian is often used on servers, Arch Linux is for advanced users, and we got Kali Linux is built for cybersecurity and penetration testing. But what truly makes Linux powerful is the ability to control it through a special environment called the shell. So what is the shell? The shell is a text-based interface where you type instructions, known as commands, to interact directly with the system and perform tasks efficiently. In this video, we will begin our journey by understanding this powerful environment and learning the key concept every beginner should know. So let's get started. That we understand what the shell is and why it's important, let's see how to access it. The terminal, also called the command line interface, is where we interact with the shell by typing commands. There are two common ways to open the terminal in most Linux distributions. One, using the application menu. First, go to the application or system menu, search for terminal and click on the icon. The terminal window will open and you will see the command prompt appear. Second, using the keyboard shortcut. The fastest method is by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T on your keyboard. Right away the terminal window appears and ready for you to start typing commands. Now that we have opened the terminal, it's time to start using it. In the Linux shell, we interact with the system using commands, simple instructions we type to perform tasks like navigating files, creating folders, or managing data. Let's begin with one of the most basic and useful commands. The command pwd, which stands for Print Working Directory, showing the full path of your current location in the system. It shows home/Adam. This tells you exactly where you are inside the file system. It's useful when you are working across many folders and want to keep track of your position. Next is ls. This command lists everything in your current folder, files, directories, and sometimes hidden items if you add options. When we write ls like this, it shows us the folders that we have in our computer, like documents, downloads, music, or pictures, and other files. It helps you see what's around before navigating or working on files. Next is cd, which stands for Change Directory. It's used to move between folders in your system. For example, let's use it to go into the music folder. So we write cd music. And now we're inside the music directory. To check what's inside, we use ls command. So we write ls and it shows us the folder that's inside the music folder, Adam. To confirm our current location, we type pwd and it shows us the directory that we are in. And to go back to home directory, we just type cd with no arguments. We type cd and then we write the pwd command to confirm our location now. Now let's look at the command mkdir, which means make directory. This command lets you create a new folder anywhere in your file system. Here we write mkdir new folder. In this example, we created a folder called new folder inside our current directory. You can give the folder any name you want. And we write ls command. Now, as you can see, the folder appears when we list the files. Next is rm, short for remove. It is used to delete files, and with options, it can also delete folders. To delete a folder and everything inside it, we write rm-r, followed by the folder's name. In this case, we delete the new folder we created. And then we write ls to confirm that the folder is deleted now. As we can see, the folder is now deleted. And now we move to cp command, which stands for copy. It is used to duplicate files or folders. And to copy a folder, we just need to add -r as an option. To copy text, we need to write now cp file1.text. To the new name is file2.text. And in this case, we just need to go directly to the folder case and we'll write cp-r music downloads. And we're gonna copy the music folder into the download folder. And now we go to the desktop folder to confirm that it worked. As you can see now, the music folder is now copied in the downloads folder with the command cp. And now we have mv command, short for move. It is used to move files or folders or to rename them. And to move a file, we just need to write mv, the name of the file, and the folder we're going to move that file into. In our case, we're trying to rename a file that its name is old name.text and its new name is new name.text. And next is clear command. And it is a simple command that cleans up your terminal window. It doesn't delete anything, it just clears the screen. And now we write clear, and all the screen is now deleted. And now we write ls-l, and this command shows all files detailed info like permissions, size, owner, and date, as you can see in the screen. And now we move to ls-a, and it also shows all files including hidden ones that starts with dot. As you can see, there is some files that start with dots, and it's the hidden files that we cannot see. And next we see rm-i, and it asks before deleting, so you don't remove something by mistake. It's the same command as rm-r. And the mv-v, it moves or renames files and shows what happens step by step. And now we clear the terminal to see the last command today, and it is ls-la, and it combines both options. It shows all files, even hidden ones, with detailed infos. As you can see, it shows all the files and even the hidden ones, with all the infos that it could be. And that's it, guys. You have now learned the basics of the Linux shell, and these commands are just the beginning. With practice you will get faster and more confident using the terminal. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share or leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.